Sakubona mfundi, here is your full guide to Ndebele pronunciations. We'll start with the vowels. In Ndebele, we call them onkamisa. Why? Ukukamisa is to open your mouth. And it's the vowels that make us open our mouths when we're talking. Okay, so listen to how we pronounce them. A, E, I, O, U. Your mouth is open when you're pronouncing this, right? And because they are always mixed with the consonants, they are the ones that cause us to kamisa. All right. So when coming from English, please note that this is E, right? And this is I. Okay. So, and Ndebele is easy with the pronunciations because the vowels are consistent. A is always A. Let's talk about A for a moment, right? So when you add it to other letters, here is how it comes out. For example, amanga. You hear that it's A, ma, nga. It's always A. And it's A in English. Another word, amandla. Again, consistent A. All right. Mana. That's how you say wait in Ndebele. All right. So that's A. Always. It's always A in every word. And it. Moving on to E. Here are some words that use E. Ilele. That's a ladder. And it. How about this one? Idelele. Right? De. Le. Always E. We move on to E. And it. This is the E. Here are some words using E. Number one, ilizwi, a voice. And listen to this one, isigi, the disease, syphilis. All right? Isiwiji, a sweet, right? A candy. I think Americans call it candy. Sweets. All right. And then we move on to the O. Always, where you see O, you're going to do the O sound. And it. For example, ukoko. This means my great grandparent, right? The parents of my grandparents. Ukoko, one. And when you're talking about them in plural, okoko. You see that? Okay. Here's another word. Isono. So, no. That's O. Right. Lastly, the U. We say U. Ngesindebele. U. Umuntu. Right? Umuntu. That's U. You also have umuntu is a person. And then ulusu, tribe. It's part of the insides of an animal or even a person. Right? We call it ulusu. Okay. We also have ukudla, food. The U and the gu there. You hear that? Right. So these are your vowels. Onkamisa. So when talking about vowels, for example, if you wanted to say I got an A in Ndebele, ngiphume lonkamisa A. We call it the vowel A. You know, I got an A. I came up with the vowel A. Right, so we move on to the consonants, right? Let's cover the whole alphabet, see how it's pronounced in Ndebele. The consonants are called ongwaqa in Ndebele. Let's get into them. This is ba, babe, bibo, bu, ubaba, father. But when you add an H, it becomes ba, babe, bibo, bu, ibasi, a bus. Ibola, a ball. And it. Moving on to the C, you have for example, ela, ask. And it. You can also say itele, the side. For example, mana eceleni, stand aside. All right. Add H to the C, you produce cha. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. Chaya, hang to dry. Okay. Chitha, pour away. Talking about liquids. Angit. Then add an N before the C, you produce nga. Nga, nge, ngu, ngube, the surname. Ngenga, plead with someone. Okay. D, dade, di, do, do is simple. Idada, a duck. Idolo, the knee. Right. We can add the NL to D and produce dla. Dla, dle, dli, dlo, dlu. Dlala, play. And it dlo, it's a surname. Dlo. Ndla, that's what you produce when you add an N there. Ndla, ndle, ndli, ndlo, ndlu. Indlovu, elephant. Indlala, hunger. Okay, that's the D. The F is another simple one. It's simply fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. For example, isifiso. Angit. We can add an M before the F to produce mfa, mfe, mfi, mfo, mfu. Imfa, a funeral. All right. Let's move on to G, which in Ndebele you pronounce as ga, ge, gi, go, gu. Igugu, a treasure. Then you can add N before the G and you produce two different sounds with the same NG. The first one is this one, nga. Ngakiti, at our home. Ngakini, at your home. Ngakibo, at his home. That's nga. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu, ngoba. Because. Okay. Then we have nga. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Same spelling, right? Ngena, come in. Umangoye. All right. Let me know, please, in the comments. Are you hearing the difference between nga and nga? Nge, nge, ngi, ngi, ngo, ngo, ngu, ngu. Angit. So it depends on the word. You just need to expand your vocabulary to understand whether the word is taking the other pronunciation of NG or the second one.